Ever pondered over how Warren Buffett became one of the wealthiest people on the planet? Well, the answer lies in his wisdom, financial acumen, and investment strategies. Warren Buffett, a titan in the world of finance, is not just a legendary investor, but also an incredibly successful businessman. His insights have become guiding principles for many who aspire to create wealth and achieve financial freedom. One of his most impactful quotes is, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." Quite an eye-opener, isn't it? This statement encapsulates a fundamental principle of wealth creation that has resonated with many, especially those looking to step beyond the traditional 9-to-5 grind. So what does Buffett's wisdom really imply? It highlights the importance of passive income and the power of investments that churn out revenue even when you're not actively working. It's about creating sustainable streams of income that keep flowing, irrespective of whether you're deeply engrossed in a conventional job or running a business. Now, you might be wondering, how does one achieve this? How does one create income that doesn't solely rely on active involvement? The answer lies in passive income, a concept that Buffett strongly advocates. Passive income refers to earnings generated from activities where you don't necessarily have to be involved daily. But here's the twist. Creating passive income isn't about quick fixes or fast money. It's about strategic planning, careful research, and a long-term perspective. It's about investing in assets that will generate returns over time, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or businesses. And it's about diversifying these investments to mitigate risks and safeguard against market volatility. In essence, Warren Buffett's wisdom points to the significance of creating sustainable income streams. But what exactly does this mean? And how can you navigate the path towards making money while you sleep? Well, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the wisdom of Warren Buffett in our upcoming scenes. So what is passive income and why is it so important? Let's delve into the world of money-making while you're catching up on your beauty sleep. Passive income, in essence, is money earned from enterprises where you're not actively involved day in, day out. It's income that doesn't require you to trade your time for money. Instead, it's the money that works for you, even when you're off the clock. Doesn't that sound like a dream? Now, this isn't to say that passive income doesn't require any effort or investment. It usually does. But the trick is that the work is often upfront, and the returns can potentially last for years to come. There's a myriad of ways to generate passive income. Imagine owning a rental property. Once it's set up and rented out, it can provide a steady stream of income with minimal daily involvement. Or consider investing in dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders, essentially putting money into your pocket on a regular basis. Royalties from a book you've written or a patent you hold can also be a source of passive income. Then there's interest earned from savings or bonds, or income from a business that doesn't need your daily presence to operate. The beauty of passive income is its potential to grow independently from your active efforts. It's like planting a tree. You sow the seed, water it initially, and with time it grows, bearing fruits year after year, without needing your constant attention. Passive income allows us to break free from the cycle of trading time for money. It gives us the power to control our financial destiny rather than being controlled by the need to earn. It's about creating multiple income streams that can buffer against life's uncertainties and provide financial security. But how do we generate passive income, I hear you ask? Well, that's where the power of investments comes in, backed by sound financial strategies and a sprinkle of patience. But we'll delve into that in the next scene. So, stick around. Investments are the key to unlocking the door to passive income. This principle, championed by the legendary investor Warren Buffett, is central to understanding the power of investments. But what does it mean to invest, and how can one leverage investments to generate passive income? Investing is essentially the act of allocating resources, often in the form of money, with the expectation of generating an income or profit over time. It involves purchasing assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or even businesses, with the hope that these assets will increase in value or provide a steady stream of income. For instance, investing in stocks allows one to own a piece of a company, Some of these companies share their profits with shareholders in the form of dividends. Owning dividend-paying stocks can thus provide a regular source of income that doesn't require active effort. Similarly, investing in real estate can yield rental income. Owning a property and renting it out can generate a steady stream of cash flow. This income continues to flow in, whether you're awake or asleep, working or on vacation. However, investing is not a game of chance. It requires careful research, strategic planning, and a long-term perspective. This is where we can learn from Buffett's approach to investing. Known for his value investing strategy, Buffett focuses on buying shares of companies with solid fundamentals and long-term growth potential, rather than being swayed by short-term market fluctuations. This approach requires patience and discipline, but it can lead to substantial wealth accumulation over time. It's about understanding the value of a company or an asset and making informed decisions based on that understanding, rather than trying to time the market or chase quick profits. Ultimately, the power of investments lies in their ability to generate passive income. They enable us to make money while we sleep, breaking free from the cycle of trading time for money. But it's not just about the money, it's about the freedom that comes with it, the freedom to live life on our own terms, to pursue our passions, and to create our own destiny. Investing wisely can lead to financial freedom, a state that allows us to live life on our own terms. Financial freedom, a dream for many and a reality for a few. But what does it truly mean? When you hear the term financial freedom, you might envision a life of luxury with swanky cars and beachfront mansions. But peel back the glossy veneer and you'll find that financial freedom is much more than material wealth. It's about attaining a level of financial stability that allows you to live life on your own terms. It's about not having to constantly worry about meeting your monthly expenses or being shackled by debt. It's about having the flexibility to pursue your passions, to spend quality time with your loved ones, to engage in activities that add meaning to your life, and to contribute positively to society. Financial freedom doesn't mean that you stop working. Quite the contrary. It gives you the liberty to work on what you love, without the stress of financial constraints. It's about breaking away from the 9-to-5 grind and designing a lifestyle that aligns with your values and aspirations. So how do we achieve this state of financial freedom? That's where passive income comes into play. It's the steady stream of income that you generate without having to trade your time for money. It's the income that keeps flowing even when you're asleep, just as Warren Buffett alluded to. Passive income can come from various sources like investment dividends, rental income, royalties, or a side business that requires minimal active involvement. The key is to create multiple streams of passive income that can grow and accumulate over time, providing a stable and sustainable source of revenue. However, it's important to remember that building passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, patience, and strategic financial planning. It's about making your money work for you, instead of you working for your money. Financial freedom offers flexibility and independence, but how do we protect our investments? The answer lies in diversification, a concept we'll delve into in the next segment. Stay tuned. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? That's diversification in a nutshell. It's an investment strategy that involves spreading your money across different types of assets and sectors to manage risk. Think of it as a form of financial insurance. If one investment falters, others can help cushion the blow. Warren Buffett, the sage of Omaha, is a firm believer in diversification. His investment portfolio is a testament to this approach, spanning across industries, from tech giants to consumer goods and insurance firms. However, remember that diversification isn't about blindly scattering your money everywhere. It requires knowledge, understanding, and careful planning. It's about balancing your risk versus reward by investing in different areas that could react differently to the same event. In essence, diversification is about not putting your financial future solely in the hands of a single investment. Diversification is a crucial strategy to protect your investments and ensure steady returns. Taking a leaf out of Warren Buffett's book could transform your financial future. Today we've delved into the wisdom of this financial sage, exploring the power of passive income and the role it plays in our lives. Buffett's mantra, "Making money while you sleep," is more than just a catchy phrase. It's a fundamental principle of wealth creation, a call to action for us to break free from the cycle of trading time for money. We've also shed light on the importance of investments and diversification in achieving this financial nirvana. Remember, it's not about chasing quick returns, but building sustainable streams of income that grow, independent of your active efforts. So as we conclude, let's revisit Buffett's wisdom. Find ways to make money while you sleep, or prepare to work until you die. Dive deeper into the world of finance and investment with us. Subscribe for more insightful videos, and remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step.